Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In each and every session we are learning different vocabulary related to different topics. And today also we are going to learn vocabulary related to weather. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called sunny weather. Now, how to use sunny in sentences that we will see. It's a sunny day. Look, the sun is shining in the sky. So, this way you can frame this sunny in sentences. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called partly cloudy weather. You can see in the picture. It's partly cloudy. Winter months have many sunny and partly cloudy days. This way you can frame sentences by using this word partly cloudy. When you see this type of weather, what do you call it? It's called windy weather. It's windy. Windy means strong wind. It was so windy that my umbrella turned inside out. This way you can frame sentences. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called rainy weather. It's raining. This way you can frame sentences. I love rainy season. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called heavy rain. So, how to frame in sentences? It's raining cats and dogs. So, here raining cats and dogs. This is an idiom. So, it is used for heavy rain. You can frame sentence this way also. It's raining heavily. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called cloudy weather. You can see a lot of clouds are there in the sky. So that's why it's called cloudy. It's cloudy. It's overcast. So another word for cloudy is overcast. So both have the same meaning. So you can use any. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called dark, gloomy weather. You can see dark and gloomy. The sky is dark and gloomy. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called foggy weather. A lot of fog is there in the picture. You can see clearly here. So that is why it is called foggy. It's foggy. When you see this kind of weather, what do you call it? It's called stormy weather. How to use the stormy in sentences? It's a stormy weather. there was a stormy scene in the movie. Stormy means strong winds. When you see this kind of weather, then what do you call it? It's called thunderstorm. You can see lightning, heavy winds, strong winds, right? So here you can use thunder and storm. That's why thunderstorm. He got caught in a thunderstorm. There was an eye-catching thunderstorm yesterday. So friends, hope you understood the vocabulary related to weather. See you soon in my next video. Stay tuned. More is yet to come. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.